Hey guys, Phil Jew here. I am actually on my way to my first autocross slash test and tune of the year. Finally. I just stopped at a rest stop because I had to use the bathroom real bad. Let me tell you how hectic my morning has been. Obviously, I probably look like crap. I did not get a great amount of sleep because I was so happy and anxious. So I went to go get breakfast and was going to hit the highway. I thought I forgot my autocross numbers. They've been in the back of my car for the whole winter. I thought they were on my fridge. Nope, they're back there. So I went back to my house, found out they're in the back of my car. I wasted like 15 minutes there. Then I'm going to merge from like 95 to 90 in Boston. There's a street sign in the merge and it was like in a blind spot, so I had to avoid it, and luckily the van in the right lane slowed down, so I was like, okay, what's up? So thank God for him. Then merging onto 84, going down to Connecticut, a bird I hit a bird in my windshield. And, oh man, I felt so bad. But man, it was just like random orange bit. I saw a flap and then I heard a thunk. Man, crazy morning. I'm actually just like 20 to 30 minutes away, but I'm gonna stop at a gas station to pick up some ice and some drinks for the day. And then we should be at the airport. So I will catch you guys at the venue. All right, guys, we are at the location. It's a pretty awesome area. Normally, this group is unfortunate. They have unfortunate luck with venues, but since COVID's happening, this lot's pretty open, so it's gonna be maybe top of second gear, low third, if I can do it right. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked about this. Everyone's taking precaution with COVID, everyone's got masks, so this is gonna be a fun event. I'm pretty excited. So next I'll have you on my helmet on the first run and try to set a good first time run. Pat Cunningham with a 46.1. Oh fuck. So I DNF'd, but Dan in front of me, I don't know what happened to his car. to go. Fuck. I don't know where I'm going. Right side.
Hey, Phil?
Yeah.
Over here? Skipping a section of the course. You know you missed the gate, right?
Which, where?
You're going straight into the gate. You gotta go right. You got 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I see it, I see it. Alright, thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright guys, end of the first autocross day. I actually just drove home because I don't know, I just wasn't feeling like staying in Connecticut tonight, and I don't know, I just I'm either beat or I don't know, I just not feeling it, and I'll just make the drive again tomorrow. I mean, just kinda gets my head in a clear space for the next autocross event, which is gonna be tomorrow. But after one day of driving back and forth to Connecticut and 10 autocross runs, my white wheels now have a nice gradient. So